Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. Oops. I'm Moose, and today I'm doing just a super quick mail call unboxing from Blade HQ. I have this package here, and we're just going to open it up and check it out, and I'll let you know what my first impressions is. I don't even know what knife this is, so obviously if it's coming from Blade HQ, I'm assuming it's a knife. Alright, well... And I'm opening up with the Kershaw... Oh man, I forgot which one this is. Kershaw 11, maybe? Forgetting it off the top of my head. Launch 11, I believe. I'll leave a link to my review in the upper right-hand corner. But either way, sweet, lightweight, push-button auto. Oh! It's a Kershaw. Sweet. Alright, so Kershaw opening a Kershaw. And what do we got? Looks kind of big. This is the Kershaw Malt. The Kershaw Malt. Now, I have other knives in this kind of beer-related genre, and here it is. Oh man, that is cool. That is super cool. Super cool spring-assisted knife. This is a very unique knife because it has this strange kind of Tonto bevel, reverse Tonto, funky looking tip. Yeah. The thing I like about, I think there's the malt, the hops, and the pub. The pub is a friction folder. The hops is like a little spring-assisted one, and now we have this bigger assisted one. I love the pop of color on here. It's a frame lock, stainless steel, and the cool thing with all of these is that these all have a bottle cap lifter on here, and so some of them have them in the flipper. The other one has it, I think, in the frame, but frame lock, really cool, stylized, angular, geometric design. That blade shape is super funky, so I'll be interested in checking out the blade shape, seeing how this blade works, and like how to even cut with it. It's very sharp though, right out of the box. And yeah, so cool. You can look forward to checking out my review of the malt, the Kershaw Malt. So stay tuned. On that, I'll leave links to this down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys outside. Peace!